In this video I am going to introduce you to a Bluetooth adapter with 3.5 mm jack. It's that's the 3.5 mm jack, and it's the USB end. When you buy this, you will not get a adapter with this, so you need to have a 5-volt adapter. Just plug that in to that adapter, and you need to plug in the 3.5 mm jack from your speaker. This is the 3.5 mm speaker input that I will be connecting it to this Bluetooth adapter end, and need to switch now I am powering on my speaker by plugging it into the socket, and now just giving power to the speaker system. Now that you can see the power is there, and you can see that light blinking, that means the Bluetooth is now operational. You can see I am turning on the Bluetooth from my mobile and searching for this newly connected Bluetooth device. As you can see, it's at the lowest end, the YETM1. That's the device that we need to connect, and then it will ask for a pair option. Just click on pair and it will get paired that easily. Now you can control your device using your mobile phone or any other Bluetooth device, just like this. It's easy. Now I will show you the sound output that you can get by using this Bluetooth adapter. I'll play my own YouTube video.
Get intelligent frame recommendation and find your perfect pair. Download the app now. Lenscard.com.
Today I am going to share my review on FND F203G. This is it.
So that's the speaker sound that you just heard directly from this speaker system. If you like to buy this adapter, I'll give a link in the description. And if you like this video, please subscribe for more future videos. It's just simple. You can make any of your old speaker system into a wireless Bluetooth system using just this simple adapter. Thank you. Have a great day.